So we're going to take a look at where you'll find the VIN number on a Toyota vehicle. Now here we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, but on other models you're going to find the VIN number basically in the same location. So the first, the easiest one is lower left corner of the windshield. You can see the VIN number right there. A lot of times the VIN number is going to be printed on the frame, either by the strut tower or firewall back there, but you have to kind of look around to find that one. Also could be in the trunk area or below the passenger seat on the front. Another easy place though to find that VIN number is if you come here, open the driver's door, then look for the sticker right down here. That's also going to have the VIN number. You can see the VIN number right there. Starts 2T 3B. Now the VIN number, it's also going to be stored in a number of modules. So if you have a OBD2 scanner, so the VIN number is also going to be stored in the engine control unit. So if you have an OBD2 scanner like this one, you plug it underneath the dashboard here. There's an OBD2 port there where this plugs in, but then you can come in here and then you can scroll, go to diagnostics. I would just press yes here. Alright, so you want to scroll down until you see vehicle info. Press enter again, turn key on, and then this is also, you see VIN, the first one in there is the VIN number. So you can see, you can compare the VIN number that's stored in the engine control unit. So if you suspect, for example, that the miles or the odometer was replaced, or you know, something was done to change the miles, then you can kind of look at that, and that number is stored in the engine control unit. So if somebody tries to change and put a used engine control unit, it's going to have a different VIN number than the VIN number that we saw on the stickers of the vehicle. Now that doesn't always guarantee that you can verify that, because sometimes people might keep the same VIN number and just code the miles differently, or they might take a used unit and then code the correct VIN number, but at least you can check that VIN number in the engine control unit and see what's stored there. That's it. Thank you for watching.